How to increase Telegram download speed. So if you want to increase your Telegram download speed, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, you need to go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with data and storage. Now you'll see an option of when using mobile data. Tap on that option and make sure the data usage is high and not set as custom. This will help you to increase the download speed when you're using your mobile data, and you will have to do it for your Wi-Fi also. So go back and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that the data usage is selected high. Make sure that you've turned on all of these options on the bottom, which is type of media, and do the same thing for your roaming too. And make sure that you also have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection or a stable internet connection, then it will decrease your Instagram download speed. Once you're done with all of these settings, your internet connection should also be strong and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.